Hey guys, it's Nyah. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm just showing the fact that I have work on a snowstorm. It is January 29th. And this is really crazy, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. I literally can't, and I have no gloves. Oh my gosh. Now I don't even think. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Like my job can't close for one day. Like, I cannot believe this right now. But my hands are freezing, y'all. This is how it's looking. I'm not about to spend too much time. But yeah. Y'all, this is absolutely insane. Like, I should have called out. Like, this is really crazy. This is a wonderland. Welcome to New York. That's when the train comes. My lashes are wet. Like when I tell you wet. Like, I really can't right now. Okay, 5 minutes. And I have to be at work at 12 and it's probably like, I don't even know. Hey guys, so it's your girl and now I'm waiting for the 7 train to come, and tell me now, it said 0 like as if it was coming. Now it says 9 minutes and that just got me tight. Like, why are you taking that long? So, and it still says 9 minutes and I'm literally the only one waiting for the train, which is kind of scary. So we're gonna see how this goes. I hope the train really does come, because I don't want to be stuck here waiting for dumb long. Like, that's really gonna blow my mind. So yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. Like, what is really going on? I don't know if I caught it, but I feel like that just said 5.
Your safety is important to us. Please stand away from the platform edge, especially when trains enter and leave the station.
Like, I don't have time for this. Like, this is getting me tight. Like, how do you just say 5 minutes and 9 again? Like, oh my god. Yo, y'all don't know how bad that just pissed me off. The freaking train just skipped the station. Why? Oh, I should have stayed home. This is really crazy. Look at this, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I made it to work. I should have stayed home. Because why the hell is the mall open? I don't understand. Like, it's dumb cold. It's a fucking snowstorm. Like, I don't understand. I have layers on, but I'm still freezing. Like, what is this? Can't feel my hands, can't feel my legs, can't feel my feet. Crazy. Look at that. But I'm at work, y'all. I have a completely different outfit on. Like I was saying, I have a completely different outfit on, so I need to change now, and I'm already late. But yeah. So guys, I'm currently walking home from work. I didn't really record when I was at work, obviously, but the good thing is that we closed early. We closed at 7, so we closed at 7 and I didn't have to leave at 9, so that was good. But yeah, because I would have been so upset if we had to actually close at 9, because imagine that. Like, 9 is already too late, and good thing the trains didn't have much delays, because that's what I was really worried about. But this is really crazy. Like, if you're not from New York or from a place that snows, well, really New York, because we're the ones who have the trains, buses, all of that when there's snow. Like, upstate and all of that, they don't really have this. Like the transportation, you can walk to, buses, things like that. So it's harder. But yeah, I'm walking home and my hands are freezing. So I'll see you later. Ew. See, the snow be getting dirty quick. Like, I'm not walking through there. My hands are really dirty. I'm trying to get some content, y'all. It's the 29th. Your girl hasn't posted nothing this month. But it's okay. My birthday's on the 1st. And I'll probably post something tomorrow.